The Scope audio platform is composed of both hardware and software, and the Excite one, which you are watching in this picture, is the most powerful of the available hardware options. I think of the Scope hardware as providing two things. One is the number of physical inputs and outputs, as you can see in the picture. The other thing is digital signal processing power that you can control from the software side. Here we have the Scope software environment. The routing window is where we do all the connections between inputs, outputs, and devices. In this simple project, I want to show how the Scope system integrates with both hardware and software external devices. Let's see a few examples of hardware ins and outs. This box corresponds to the inputs in the Excite one front panel that can be used both for line and microphone level signals. This one corresponds to the phone's output in the front panel. This one corresponds to the analog outputs in the back panel, which in my case are connected to a pair of monitoring speakers. You can also see the ins and outs of an ADAT connection. Observe that ADAT provides 8 channels, but here we have channels 1 and 2 missing. The reason is that I have used this ADAT to connect to a 2-channel external analog digital analog conversion unit, and I have renamed those 2 channels to my liking. These are the ins, these are the outs. Now let's see a few examples of software ins and outs. These two are used for the exchange of MIDI with other applications, for example, a sequencer. We also have this for the exchange of audio with other applications. We can define the number of channels here. And these two represent the standard interface to the operating system audio. Note that in a project you can load the hardware and software ins and outs that you need for that project. The available hardware IOs can be found here, and the software IOs are found here. What I have done in this particular project is connecting the OS audio and the microphone I'm using for my voice to a small mixer. In the microphone channel I have inserted a compressor and a de-esser. We can use the OS audio in order to listen, for example, to a CD loaded in the computer. The output of the mixer is sent to my monitoring speakers, my headphones, and to the application that I'm using for recording this video. To finish, I'm going to insert an effect in the microphone channels. Thanks for watching.